Dear all, I welcome you all for my lecture session. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of sections of solids. Myself, Dr. S. Department of Civil Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. First one is, what is sectional view? The sectional drawings are multi-view technical drawings that contain special view of parts or parts used that reveal interior features. It is used to improve clarity and reveal interior feature of the component. Sectional technical illustrations are used to describe interior features of complicated assemblies. A primary reason for creating a sectional view is the elimination of hidden lines so that a drawing can be more easily understood or visualized by the examiner. Sectional view. Traditional sectional views are based on the use of an imaginary cutting plane that cuts through the object to reveal interior feature. The imaginary cutting plane is controlled by the designer and there are five conditions are there. First one is A, go completely through the object full and can A, go completely through the object full section. B, go half the way through the object's half section. Number 3, be sent to go through features that are not aligned offset section, that is called offset section. And next, go through part of the object, that is called broken out section. Cutting plane lines. Cutting planes lines are which show where the cutting plane passes through the object. It represents the edge view of the cutting plane and are drawn in the views adjacent to the sectional view. The image so sidely is called as cutting plane lines. In this figure, the cutting planes lines is drawn in top view, which is adjacent to the sectional front view. Cutting plane lines are thick 0.7 mm dashed lines that extended past the edge of the object 6 mm and have line segment at each end drawn at 90 degrees and terminated with arrows. So in this image we have view that a blue color dashed line AA is indicated and the direction of the lines are one upward and one downward. The arrows in wrong directions, arrows should show the line of sight necessary for the sectional view. These are the indication of the cutting lines. The arrows represent the direction of the line of sight for the section view and the point away from the sectioned view. There are two types. Two types of lines are acceptable for cutting plane lines in multi-view directions. So image shows BB and CC are the cutting lines and BB having the direction of upward and also CC having the direction of upwards. Line BB is composed of alternating long and two short dashes, which is one of the two standard methods. The length of the long dashes varies according to the size of the drawing and is approximately 20 to 40 mm. For a very large section view drawing, the long dashes are made very long to save drawing times. The short dashes are approximately 3 mm long, 3 mm long. The open space between lines is approximately 1.5 mm. Capital letters are placed at each end of the cutting plane line for clarity or when more than one cutting plane is used on a drawing. This is the image of cutting plane lines. The second method is used for cutting plane lines is shown by CC lines. The image shows CC is one of the examples for cutting line, which is composed of equal length dash lines. Each dash is approximately 6 mm long and with a 1.5 mm space between. These are the few examples of cutting lines. If the cutting plane is in the same position as a center line, the cutting plane line has precedence. For example, the image shown below is the example of cutting plane lines. Thank you for watching.